How you guys doing? Hey, so today I just want to bring you a quick little informational video. This just came out 2 days ago. It's pretty big. It's involving Honda. So I guess the auto regulator is investigating 1.7 million vehicles, their SUVs by Honda. Now the vehicles that are affected or supposedly could be affected, it's the 2018 to 2022 Honda CRV and HRV. And interesting too, because it involves the all-wheel drive system. So like this car here has an all-wheel drive system. I don't know if eventually it'll be affected as well. I think Acura uses a slightly different variation, but I don't know if like the pilots will be affected. Something to definitely pay attention to. But supposedly what happens, and there's already been cases filed about this, is that the rear differential can leak. And it'll cause it to seize up and fracture the drive shaft, which will cause, at highway speeds, can definitely cause a crash. Like I said, it's 1.7 million vehicles, and they're saying it's the largest one so far this year of any car manufacturer that they're looking into. So I just want to give you guys a heads up. If you do have one of those vehicles, pay attention to see if any new stories come out. I'll try and see if I see anything, if it moves into a recall, which is pretty massive, because then they're gonna have to replace the differential in those vehicles. And it's the 2018, 2022, so it covers quite a bit of years. And those years, I know Honda sold a ton of CRVs and HRVs, CRV being one of the most popular midsize SUVs out there. So it's something to pay attention to, and especially going down the road. Like I said, does the Acura all-wheel drive system have the same setup? Does the Pilot have the same setup? I mean, they could find out when they do more digging into this that it could be like a system failure throughout. Depends if the parts are the same or not. So that's why the auto regulator investigates, which is a great thing. Keeps people safe. But I thought it was interesting. Like I said, it's a car. It's not like a 8-year-old car. You know, we're talking last year. Actually this year, but 2018, 2022, so most current, other than the redesigned one. So not knowing if they changed anything or not. But again, I wanted to keep you guys informed. They're saying owners should look in for something in the mail. If it does move forward, all the owners get notified. But sometimes if you bought a used one, sometimes you fall through the cracks as far as getting notified. So I would definitely keep checking out. The internet has great sources for information. You can also go to a website that tells you all about the recalls. Like I said, this was just a couple days ago as well. So it was still looking in to see if they're going to issue a nationwide recall on it. Like I said, it's 1.7 million Honda CRVs and HRVs. So it's pretty big. It's a huge thing if it does happen. So let me know if you guys had any issues with your differential, if you drive those vehicles, or any vehicle with the all-wheel drive system, if you've had any issues, because this could also lead to parts being covered. Say it's a different vehicle, say it's the Pilot, and you've had differential issues with it. It could also lead to them covering a lot of those things. So keep your receipts if you've paid for repairs on those kind of things, because a lot of times I've noticed once something like this happens, then they start covering things that could potentially lead to another case. And I've also heard people where they've got money back because later on the line, Honda decided to cover it and reimburse them. So definitely some good information. Definitely keep checking. Like I said, if you have that vehicle, just be on the lookout for something. And I'd like to know, like I said, if you've had any experience with something like this, let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully not. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good, having a great day out there. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.